So ayun guys, naka-receive tayo ng order through WhatsApp. Bali umorder si Madam ng tinapasilog. Bali order siya sana guys sa Talabat pero walang paid by cash. Malapit lang naman siya kaya prepare lang namin tapos i-deliver na natin pagkatapos guys. So prepare natin at samahan niyo ako mag-deliver. So ayun guys, ready na yung order ni Madam. I-deliver na natin guys para makakain na si Madam. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go.
Mag-isa, nagsimula sa wala. Ngayon patuloy ang abante kahit na madapa. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang ang hilig. Umusad mang mabagal ay hindi tayo titigil. Marami man sa atin ang hindi naniniwala. Di naman sila yung magbibigay.
So ayun guys, na-receive na ni Madam yung order niya sa GFH Street Restaurant. Bali regular customer natin si Madam guys. Madam, thank you for ordering to GFH Street Restaurant.
Hi! Thank you for JFX Street Restaurant.
Opa, Madam.
Thank you so much.
Opa, thank you so much Madam. Have a nice day. So ayun guys, for those who want to try the real happiness and satisfaction, please do order to your GFH Street Restaurant. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you so much Madam. Have a nice day.